Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Frontier Michigan. And today we are unboxing another component for the channel for the camera setup. And let's get in and see what it is. But I can say this right off rip: this is something that's going to allow for longer recording times and will open up the doors for recording longer videos and how-tos. Something I've been unable to do with the GoPro because the GoPro, well, it's unreliable. And now that we're getting into the warmer months, GoPro's known issues of overheating will become more prevalent. So it's not even about the low battery life on GoPro. It's just the overheating makes it unreliable just off rip on that. So we're going to get into it. This just showed up today. We're gonna use our construction scissors, not like scissors, but like a knife, because that's how we do things. Get into this box. Don't need that. So I'm going to take the cellophane off of this and then show you what I got here. That way the cellophane doesn't play with the camera, because this is reflective. So I want you guys to be able to see what it is I'm about to show you. What this is the portable charging case for the Insta360. Which will allow me to charge both batteries for the camera at the same time. Yeah, the instructions don't really need those. Anything else in this box? I don't think so. Yeah, so don't need the box. Realistically, I don't need the instructions. Yes, I'm calling them destructions. So it's basically, this is where you put the battery. These are what the lights look like. Which, if you can't determine what dot lights are for charging, then I don't know. Can't help you there. So this is the Insta360 charging case. Oh, just another instruction card that tells you how to set it up for the X4 and X5. But it's got the slots for the Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2 batteries. It's for the X4 and X5. I even got the X3 on here. So on here is markings for what batteries are compatible. It's that X3, Ace, and X4. And up in the lid here, there's storage slots for additional SD cards. It shows 3 dots, so it's probably a good 60-75% charge. But at 3 volts, this will charge at 10,000 milliamp hours or 3 watt hours, which I believe the Ace batteries are 3.7 volts, so it's 10,000 milliamp hours of capacity on the case itself, which that's plenty. That's plenty to recharge this batteries a handful of times over. So yeah, this will give me some time, recharge batteries and all that. In fact, let me go grab one real quick and I'll throw it in here. So we're back again. And if you ever see me put my palm up, I'm using the gesture controls on the camera. So essentially, you take your battery and you line it up with the terminal. Yeah. You just push it in there. That's all it takes. Little push. Pull it out. Push in there just like that. See it flashing. But this battery is fully charged already, so it doesn't need to be charged. You can just close it. And you get the blinking lights right there. It tells you what your charge level is on the case. The solid light right there. It's charged. Like I said, this battery is already fully charged to begin with, so it is what it is. But I think I'm going to keep the batteries in here just to keep them charged up. It takes USB-C to charge the case, just like the camera takes USB-C. So yeah, this is the Insta360 portable charge case. I believe this also has quick charge function. So yeah, this has been an unboxing video. Jeff from Frontier, Michigan. We'll see you next time. Stay safe. Get out there and adventure. It's just not today because it's raining here, so it's what it is. But I'll see you guys next time.